everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I prepared Blackpink's theme for your phone home screen. So first of all, you need to go through Pinterest and look for the icons, Blackpink photos and wallpapers as well. Well, as you know, everything in this theme is chiefly purplish, therefore our choices should be considered to that. I actually want to combine this with different types of purple and black icons in conjunction with purplish neon color, which is integrated into the scene. Then I'm looking for some inspirational or motivational quotes and text to get that vibe when you just look at your phone. Setting the wallpapers is the next one. For the next step, I'm using an application that is called X Icon Changer, and the link is in the description too. So now, change the recent icons into your chosen ones, including members' photos, and prepare them for home screen. Then after that, you should remove the previous icons and try to replace them with the new ones. going through widget creation and designing them. Suitable app for this work is Simple Photo Widget. There are some different shapes of widgets that you can simply choose to put together. Well, as you can see here, I built 3 pages with different Blackpink photos and also icons. But you can do more pages or fewer if you want to. The final look is officially ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as you should, and use this beautiful Blackpink theme for your phone. If you liked this video, hit the like and press the bell button, and tell me your idea in the comment section. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more aesthetic themes and so many more.